Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, a little RV trip, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm over in the woods. This is just a little introduction. We went on an RV trip to Lake Raystown. Gotta be about a month ago now. I'll admit I'm pretty bad when we go on trips of making videos. I do take some pictures because I'm usually more into the trip and what we're doing than taking videos. But I was looking last night and I do have a couple videos and some nice pictures of the lake and the RV. So this is just a quick little video of our trip to Lake Raystown. Nothing special, not a lot going on, but I'm gonna have some pictures intertwined, maybe some music and a little bit of video. So I hope you enjoy, and if you can ever get to Huntington County in Pennsylvania, go to Lake Raystown Resort, enjoy the lake, enjoy the camping, rent a boat. It's a good time. Hope you enjoy. We are on a trip to Raystown. Let's look at a couple days. Last night decided to just start dumping rain. There's Lila back there trying to go to the bathroom. She hates rain, so well, you know how that goes. But I'll spin you around and show you. Ooh, big hand. Here's the coach, and it's pretty much dumping. We just went, got a little breakfast, and daughter will be going home today. We're staying another day, but it always seems to rain the last couple of days when you go camping, but that's all right. I don't know how I'll piece all this together. I did go to Boswell's yesterday. Very good time. Under the arm. Wait guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video of Lake Raystown. Like I said, not a lot of filming up there, so to speak. It was a really good time. And like I said, if you get a chance, if you're around here, make it a destination. There's a lot to do. If you are a pipe smoker, if you camp at Lake Raystown, you're only gonna be 45 minutes or so, probably less than 45 minutes away from the Alexandria store for J.M. Boswell's. And if you're a pipe smoker, well, you know what I mean. If you're not a pipe smoker, you can go up to Huntington. Tons of cool little shops, great restaurants. It's a really good time. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.